Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel. So we're gonna see the USD versus crude oil, guys. You can see here, guys, what we have explained in the previous week. You can see here consolidation happens, broken. Here you have taken your position, your SL will be at this place. Okay, guys. After it goes upside, slowly consolidation and came down. So at this place only, this right candle has been hidden. You have to take a short position, guys. You have taken short position, your SL will be somewhere here only at this top. You can see that one-sided momentum. Our first target is second, third target. Within 1 hour, our three target reached. After that, also four target, fifth, sixth, all six target we have achieved. After that, consolidation happened, and after that, once again, this has been broken, came downside here. Double bottom has been made, goes upside momentum. You can see that one-sided momentum has been we have got to see. Okay, guys, how you gonna see this week? So you can see here, guys, what happened is that if it breaks and takes somewhere here support, then you can expect your first target, guys. This will be the second target. Then it will once again take support. Then you can go for your third target and fourth target, guys. These are the four target. I will just shift this so you can get it in upside momentum targets. Okay, guys, these are the upside momentum target. We can see for downside if it will once again came and take here resistance. Your first target will be somewhere here only, and you have to see that this has to cross, guys. This has been crossed, and then only you have to make a position of short. Okay, guys, your second target, our third target, our fourth and final target, guys. Okay, guys, this is the analysis of USD crude oil, guys. Okay, guys, we can see the natural gas. I have specifically told you, guys, this is the area. You can see here, this is the area. I have told you also, this will act as one of the major supporting area. You can see here, I will just make it so you can get it the idea. Otherwise you think that I have not told you. I have told you specifically if it will take resistance, then only go for short. You can see that exactly here only you have taken or purchased. Okay, guys, you have not taken here somewhere. At this place also you have taken. I have telling you that I am taken at this position only. I have not seen this because I have not at that time available or something happened. So here somewhere I have taken my position. You can see that one-sided momentum we have got, one-sided momentum. Okay, guys, this is the analysis of previous week. Now we can see how it gonna work. So right now you can see that it is at a consolidation phase, and it is at a nicest place because you can see here exactly resistance. So right now we have to see that it has to cross and take support, or it may be happen that it will take support. Our first target, second target, if it broken, then our third target and our fourth target. Okay, guys, if it will broken only and it crosses it slow, just a second, guys. Okay, it crosses it slow, this is the low, it crosses, then you can specifically go for your first target, second target, once again take resistance, you can go third and even fourth target, guys. Okay, guys, these are the four target in downside to. Just a second, I will extend it. Okay, these are the four target in downside to, guys. Okay, guys, you can pause the video and take the where we have target has been achieved. Okay, guys, so we can see for next commodities XEU versus US dollar. This is the gold analysis. You can see here, guys, exactly I have told you. Just I will go and check out also, guys. I have not done any editing here only. I have told you this will act as major resistance area. If this broken, then only go for upside momentum, otherwise don't go. It will take resistance and came downside. What happened? Consolidate, broken. You can see that, broken or not. This is the point, guys. This is the swing, this is the broken point. You have to keep your SL at this red candle. Why is that? Because this is no ideal thing. If you wanted that, you have to take a little bit more risk, then you have to become a safe zone. Okay, guys, this is the risk taking. You have to keep SL at this point, but you wanted to save, then you have to keep your SL at this red candle high. Okay, guys, one sided momentum has been given. You can see that one-sided momentum. Within 2 hours, you have got very nice risk to reward, guys. We have got at least from here to here. Your SL also kept. You have got 1:5. After that, consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. Okay, guys, we have didn't expect that it will came that much downside. Consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. After this swing, once again broken. You can see that one-sided momentum. This is the biggest thing what we have been expecting. So we have got very nice trade in here, guys. So you hope you have also taken and made us such a good money. If you have taken and made us such a good money, please comment me down. And also you can check out my Telegram channel also. I have there also mentioned so many forex and some of the good ideas also I will mention there. Go and check out too. And also I have made in Telegram channel. I have also in YouTube channel I have made in the trend line and support and resistance area and price action video. Go and check out, guys. That will help you so much to become a trader. So you can check out there too, guys. Okay, guys, this is the one of the major supporting areas right now. It is acting. Okay, guys, now once again it will came somewhere here. Then you can expect up till here only you have to book full. Then it will crossing. Then you can go for your second target. This will be the third and fourth target, guys. Okay, guys, these are the four target in upside momentum. But in downside, what we have to see is that we have to see the swings. Okay, guys, this is the first time it's coming so much down. So right now you can see here, guys, I have told you also this is the one of the major supporting. At least somewhere here only it reversible has been happened. So we have to switch it on 4 hourly time frame. So we gonna see where up till it can come. So if it will take resistance somewhere here, then our first target will be here only, and you have to book your at least whole profit only, because this is looking like a major supporting area. Then your second, this will be the one of the major supporting area. Okay, guys, we can switch it on 1 hourly time frame. And right now, okay, guys, this is the one of the major supporting areas. So you have to see that, guys, it will be have to be a major supporting area. It may be act if taken resistance, then you can go for your first target, second target. Up till here only you can take it. Okay, guys, these are the some of the target for gold, guys. Okay, guys, if you have any queries, please comment me down, guys. I will just made it, guys, so you can get it. If you have any queries or something, please comment me down, guys, so I will let know. And some stock or some anything related you want any video, or you do not getting it, how its price action or something is not working for you, so please comment me down, so let I know that you are facing the some of the problems. So I will definitely make a separate video for you for if you don't getting it how it's working. So I will dedicatedly make you a video. If you like this video, guys, if you want more and more videos like this with detail, so please subscribe my channel. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.